Imagine this, you're holding your phone, just a normal phone. Then with a few taps and swipes it transforms. Your screen lights up with lines of code. You've unlocked a hidden world, a world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. This is the power of Kali Linux, and you're about to learn how to unleash it on your own phone, no rooting required. We're diving deep into the world of ethical hacking, folks, and it's not as complicated as you might think. With Kali Linux, you can turn your everyday smartphone into a powerful tool for cybersecurity testing. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. This ain't about breaking the law. This is about understanding how the bad guys work so we can build better defenses. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge, the kind of knowledge that can protect you and your digital life. So, are you ready to transform your phone into a hacker's best friend? Let's get started. Kali Linux. It's a name that echoes through the halls of cybersecurity, whispered with respect and maybe a little bit of fear. But what is it really? Imagine a toolbox, but instead of hammers and screwdrivers, it's packed with sophisticated software designed to test and assess the security of computer systems. Built on the solid foundation of Debian Linux, Kali is the go-to operating system for security professionals and ethical hackers worldwide. It's a treasure trove of over 600 penetration testing tools, each meticulously crafted to probe for vulnerabilities, expose weaknesses, and ultimately make the digital world a safer place. Now you might be thinking, penetration testing? Sounds intense. And you'd be right. It's about simulating real-world cyber attacks to identify and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. Think of it like a security audit for your digital assets. Kali Linux provides the tools to perform this audit, helping you build a fortress around your data and systems. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't messing with this stuff risky? Don't I need to root my phone? That's where things get really interesting. In the past, accessing the full potential of Kali Linux on your phone often meant rooting, which could void your warranty and even leave your device vulnerable. Not ideal, right? Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because those days are over. We're going to show you how to harness the power of Kali Linux without ever touching your phone's root access. That's right, no risky procedures, no voiding warranties, just pure, unadulterated ethical hacking power at your fingertips. This means you can explore the world of cybersecurity, learn the tricks of the trade, and test your own defenses without putting your device at risk. It's like having a virtual cybersecurity lab in your pocket, ready to deploy whenever and wherever you need it. Let's talk tools, folks. Kali Linux is famous for its vast arsenal of over 600 penetration testing tools. It's like walking into a cybersecurity candy store, except instead of sugar rushes, you get knowledge and power. We've got Nmap, the network mapper that lets you scout out devices and services on a network like a digital detective. Then there's Wireshark, the network protocol analyzer that allows you to eavesdrop on network traffic and uncover hidden secrets. And let's not forget Metasploit, the big daddy of exploitation frameworks. It's a playground for ethical hackers, allowing them to simulate real-world attacks and test the resilience of their systems. From password crackers to web vulnerability scanners, Kali Linux has it all. It's a veritable Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity tools, ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. You might be thinking, why bother with Kali Linux on my phone? Isn't a computer more powerful? Well, let me tell you folks, there's something undeniably cool about having a pocket-sized hacking platform at your disposal. First off, portability. With Kali Linux on your phone, you've got a mobile security testing lab that fits right in your pocket. No more lugging around a heavy laptop. You can now hack on the go, anytime, anywhere. Then there's the element of discretion. Let's face it, whipping out a laptop in a coffee shop and firing up a network scanner might raise a few eyebrows. But a phone? It blends right in. You can discreetly test the security of your surroundings without drawing unwanted attention. But most importantly, having Kali Linux on your phone means you're always prepared. You've got the tools to respond to security incidents, analyze suspicious activity, and protect your digital life, all from the palm of your hand. Section 6, 2 paths to power, Termux and Linux deploy. Now, let's talk about how to actually get Kali Linux up and running on your phone. Don't worry, we're sticking to the no-root approach, so your warranty is safe and sound. We've got two main contenders in the ring, Termux and Linux Deploy. Both are Android apps that open the door to the Linux world, but they take slightly different approaches. Termux is like a minimalist's dream. It provides a terminal emulator and a Linux environment. allowing you to install and run Kali Linux tools directly on your phone. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for getting your feet wet in the world of mobile hacking. Linux Deploy, on the other hand, is more like a full-blown virtual machine. It lets you install and run an entire Linux distribution, including Kali Linux, within a contained environment on your phone. It's more customizable and powerful, but it also requires a bit more technical know-how. Section 7. Building your hacker phone, a step-by-step guide. Alright, enough talk. Let's get our hands dirty and install Kali Linux on your phone using Termux. This process will transform your device into a powerful tool for ethical hacking. Don't worry, I'll be your guide every step of the way. We'll break it down into simple, manageable steps. Step 1. Download and install Termux from the Google Play Store. It's a free app that's easy to find and install. Simply search for Termux, click on Install, and wait for the installation to complete. Step 2. Open Termux and update the package lists. This is crucial to ensure you have the latest software. Type and hit Enter. This command will update the package lists. This ensures you're getting the latest and greatest software. It's always good to have the most recent updates. Step 3. Install the necessary packages. These packages are essential for running Kali Linux within Termux. Type and hit Enter. This command will install all the required packages. These packages are essential for running Kali Linux within Termux. Without them, the installation won't work. Step 4. Download the Kali Linux rootfs file. This file is the core of your Kali Linux system. Type and hit Enter. This command will download the roots file. This downloads a script that will automate the installation process. Automation makes the process much easier. Step 5. Make the script executable. This step is necessary to run the script. Type and hit Enter. This command will make the script executable. Step 6. Run the script. This is where the magic happens. Type and hit Enter. The script will now run and install Kali Linux. Sit back and relax while the script works its magic. This might take a few minutes. Step 7. Start Kali Linux. This is the final step. Once the installation is complete, type and hit Enter. This command will start Kali Linux on your phone. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kali Linux on your phone. You're now ready to explore. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of tools and possibilities waiting for you. Now you can start exploring the vast world of Kali Linux tools and unleash your inner ethical hacker. Happy hacking! Section 8. Essential tools for the mobile hacker. So, you've got Kali Linux running on your phone. Now what? Well, it's time to equip yourself with some essential tools for mobile hacking. These tools will help you navigate the complex world of cybersecurity. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so always use these tools ethically and legally. Misuse can lead to serious consequences. First up, we've got Nmap, the network mapper extraordinaire. It's a must-have for any hacker. Use it to scan your network, identify connected devices, and discover open ports. This can help you understand the layout of your network. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, revealing hidden details. Next, we have Burp Suite, the web application security testing toolkit. It's essential for web security. This bad boy lets you intercept, inspect, and modify web traffic, allowing you to uncover vulnerabilities in web applications. It's a powerful tool for any hacker. And let's not forget about Wireshark, the network protocol analyzer. It's a staple in network analysis. Use it to capture and analyze network traffic, identify suspicious activity, and understand how data flows across your network. This can help you spot potential threats. These are just a few of the many powerful tools at your disposal. Each tool has its unique strengths. As you dive deeper into the world of mobile hacking, you'll discover even more tools and techniques to add to your arsenal. Keep learning and stay curious. Section 9. The journey continues, resources and further learning. Congratulations, my friend. You've taken the first step on an exciting journey into the world of ethical hacking and mobile security. This is a significant milestone, but remember, it's just the beginning of a long and rewarding path. But this is just the beginning. The road ahead is filled with endless opportunities to learn and grow. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. Luckily, you're not alone. There are countless resources and communities ready to support you. The Kali Linux community is vast and welcoming, with tons of resources available to help you along the way. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, there's always something new to discover. Start with the official Kali Linux website. It's a great place to find the latest updates, tools, and documentation. It's a treasure trove of documentation, tutorials, and updates. You'll find everything you need to stay current and informed. You can also find answers to common questions and connect with other Kali enthusiasts on the Kali Linux forums. Engaging with the community can provide valuable insights and support. For more structured learning, check out online courses and certifications. Platforms like Cybrary, Udemy, and Coursera offer a wide range of cybersecurity courses, from beginner-friendly introductions to advanced penetration testing techniques. These courses can provide you with a structured learning path and help you gain recognized certifications. And don't underestimate the power of practice. Regular practice is key to mastering the skills you learn. Set up your own home lab and experiment with different tools and techniques in a safe and controlled environment. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Remember, the journey of an ethical hacker is one of continuous learning and exploration. Stay curious and keep pushing your boundaries. Embrace the challenge, stay curious, and never stop hacking. The world of cybersecurity awaits you.